I keep coming back to Gandhi. Gandhi ने 7 principles दिए थे. 7 sins. He said there are 7 sins. Very interesting. I found it very interesting. Whenever I read that, something happens to me. You can understand what is this man? What a vision he's talking about. ये ethical leadership का vision. This is what ethical leadership was talking about. The 7 sins he said. Number 1, politics without principle. अगर आपने politics करी हो तो कोई principle नहीं है. आप देखते हो ज्यादातर लोग unprincipled politics ही करते हैं. अपने व्यक्तिगत उसके लिए उसके गेन के लिए. But he said politics with a principle होना चाहिए, सिद्धांत. राजनीति में सिद्धांत होना चाहिए. What is politics without principle? It is a sin. So if you have to be an ethical leader, if you're a political person, then that politics has to be matched by principle. Then he said science. What is science? Science without humanity. Science without humanity has no meaning. Technology हो सकती है, science हो सकती है, research हो सकती है, knowledge हो सकती है, लेकिन वो अगर human being के लिए नहीं है, तो humanity को better नहीं करती है. It doesn't take humanity forward. Then that science is of no use. Science without humanity. Education without character. What is the point of education? He said, if it does not develop your character, if you only learn from the books, learn some formulas, learn some theories, and just throw it out in the examination, but it does not develop your inner value system. It does not give you a sense of virtue, a sense of morality. It does not develop your character. That education is of no use. He says, commerce without morality, a sense of morality. You have commerce with no morality in that commerce. That means you're cheating. You're not being fair. You're not being honest. If you have pleasure, but pleasure is not without a conscience, that means you indulge in all kind of pleasure, which is not relevant kind of pleasure. That is what is worship without any sense of sacrifice. Can you have worship without any sense of sacrifice? These are the 7 deadly sins that Gandhi talked about, and I think these are the 7 basic principles. If you keep in mind, these are the principles of ethical leadership. This is real honesty. Honesty and integrity, fostering a culture you can only foster if you are honest with yourself. First of all, you have to be honest with yourself. If you are honest with yourself, only then you can set an example for others to make them believe in honesty and integrity. You know, there's a play of Shakespeare, there's a line in Shakespeare which, in a way, I always read that and I think about it a lot. It kind of influences me positively. It says that the father is telling his son, this above all, to thine own self be true, and then it shall follow as the day the night. Meaning, the father tells the son that whatever else you may do in life, the biggest thing is to be true to yourself. And how can you be true to yourself? If you can understand yourself, be honest with yourself. So this is the culture of honesty and integrity that I'm talking about. And so I think my time is also come more or less to the end. I will not say anything more on that. But I think I've been able to the whole thing before you what I wanted to say. What is ethical leadership? How ethical leadership leads to success? How ethical leadership leads to happiness? And how ethical leadership can be developed? How ethical is part of it. Essentially, I will end by saying this. If you want to, in any kind of situation, what kind of a response you must give as an ethical leader, you have to sit down in solitude with yourself. Don't let the noise from outside disturb you. Sit down in solitude with yourself. Go inside yourself. Meditate, contemplate, and you will get an answer. The answer you get from within you, that is the ethical answer. That is the ethical answer, and that will take you to ethical leadership, and that will help you in developing and fostering a culture of honesty and integrity. I will not take more of your time because we are here not to listen to a person like me, but to Swamiji when we are here to listen to his words. So I will not take more of your time.